Hi guys, another charity shop gold or garbage. I thought I'd done this one, but I'd forgotten. So, I've just found the bits. These two little chaps, the only reason I bought them is to go with those two that I've already got. He's certainly part of the same set. I don't know if it's Playmobil or what, but they should be alright to go on some of my boats, obviously pirate and crew. This guy, I don't think he's part of the same thing. He's got writing on the bottom. Right, I've just checked the picture and it says Fisher Price 1997. And so when I looked at him I thought he was part of the same set, but he's not. Never mind, I can put them on my boats. Then we got these two. They do run on this flexitrack. I'm not sure if they're actually designed to run on it, but they do. This one cost me 70p, twice from the looks of it, top and bottom. I've got some like this one already. I think I'd have been happier paying 50p for it than 70p, because it's missing the plastic cover. It's got a bit of black duct tape on there, but it does work. Got lights. So he's fine. This one, which is the same basic toy, when I turn it on, it doesn't have lights, and we can hear the motor running. So obviously something's not quite right inside. I was struggling there. There's another screw in here. I don't remember that. Okay, so there we are. That's the basic little toy. Battery goes in there, that way round. And the motor is just there. So, you need to undo those screws. Turn it back off again. I'm hoping it's just the little pinion gears come slipped along the shaft a bit. Yeah, there we are. Can we see that clearly? That's all it's done, it's just slipped along there. Because that might mean it's split. Probably bounce out if I turn the power on. That's it, fixed. So it's just that gear had slipped along the shaft. But I notice this one doesn't have lights on it. Which is a shame. Oh, great. So we've got two workers. Better. Oh dear, disaster. I think we get the general idea. Got a broken track there.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.